So you're thinking about launching your first online business. You know, it's one of the most exciting and, let's be real, challenging journeys you can take. Well, today we're going to build your AI toolkit. We're going to explore how a whole new wave of tools can basically act as your co-founder, your writer, your designer, and your assistant all at the same time.
Yeah, if you're a freelancer, a creator, or just have that entrepreneurial spark, this feeling is probably very familiar. You've got the big idea, you've got the drive, but that to-do list, it's a mile long. You've got to write content, design a logo, manage social media, handle all the customer emails. It can seriously feel like you need to hire an entire team before you've even made a single dollar.
Now hold on, this isn't about replacing you, it's about giving you leverage. What if you had tools that could just take on all those time-consuming repetitive tasks? You know, the stuff that bogs you down. That would free you up to focus on the big picture, the creative work, the strategy, the stuff that only you can do. That right there is the promise of this AI toolkit.
All right, first up, the words. Every single online business is built on them. We're talking website copy, blog posts, social media updates, you name it. But they all start with that dreaded blank page, and man, that can be intimidating. So let's conquer it with an AI writing assistant. Okay, so what this trick actually does is turn your rough ideas into polished text. You just give it a simple prompt, something like, write me a blog post about the benefits of a morning routine, or, hey, create a YouTube script for a tech review, and boom. The AI generates the content for you. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's also an incredibly fast writer.
Now, it's really important to see the difference here, because you've got options. If you need long-form content, like those articles and scripts, your go-to is probably going to be ChatGPT. But for that short, punchy language you need for ads and social media, Copy AI is literally built for that job. It's all about using the right tool for the right task.
Okay, you've got your words sorted. Now you need to look professional, right? In the past, this meant shelling out for expensive designers and video editors. Not anymore. Let's build your AI creative studio.
It works pretty much the same way as the writing tools. You just describe what you want to see. Create a logo for a coffee brand with a minimalist mountain design. Or generate a stunning image of a futuristic workspace. This tech gives you the power of a professional design studio right on your laptop, and you get to skip the huge price tag.
Two key players really stand out here. First, there's Midjourney, which is absolutely incredible for creating unique, high-quality images. Think custom graphics for your website, your social posts, anything. Then you've got Runway AI, which is a total game changer for video. It can handle complex editing tasks automatically, saving you just countless hours. Put them together, and that's your new in-house creative team.
So we have content and we have visuals. Now for the final, and I'd argue most powerful piece of the toolkit. This is where you connect everything and put the repetitive parts of your business on complete autopilot. Let's talk about your AI automation engine.
The most crucial part right here is without any code. This isn't for programmers. It's for you, the business owner. It's about creating these little invisible threads that connect all the different apps you use every day so they just work together automatically. And what does that do? It frees up your most valuable asset, your time.
The key that unlocks all of this is a tool called Zapier AI. Honestly, think of it as the digital glue for your business. It's like a universal translator connecting thousands of apps you probably already use. It just watches for a trigger in one app, like a new sale in your store, and then performs an action in another, like adding that customer to a spreadsheet. It's the thing that makes everything talk to each other.
Let's make this real so you can see it in action. Look at this super simple workflow. A customer buys something from your online store. Instantly, without you lifting a finger, Zapier AI drafts a personalized thank you email and adds that customer to your newsletter list. This one little automation saves you time, makes your customers feel special, and helps you build your audience. Now imagine dozens of these running for you 24/7.
So when you put all these pieces together, the writer, the designer, the automation engine, you're not just using tools anymore. You're actually building a whole new kind of partnership, one that really changes the very nature of starting a business from the ground up. This quote, it just nails it. AI isn't coming for your job as an entrepreneur. It's coming for the tedious parts of your job. It's replacing the hours you'd spend staring at a blank page, or fiddling with design software, or manually copying and pasting customer data from one place to another. It's a tool for speed, for efficiency, and for scale. So the toolkit is ready. You have the writer, the designer, and the automation engine all sitting right there. The question is no longer if you can build a business,